Hello everybody and welcome to Charles Talks Tech. In this video we are going to be discussing a $500 gaming PC for the month of September in 2018. This gaming PC is going to allow you to receive 60 FPS and AAA titles running medium to high settings and 1080p. I will leave a link down into the description for all parts discussed in this video, but for now let's get into it. For your CPU, we are going to be running the AMD Ryzen 3 1200 3.1 GHz quad-core processor. This is currently stock out of the box at 3.1 GHz, but with the Wraith cooler that comes in the box, it is easily overclockable to 3.8 GHz with no problems. For the motherboard, we are going to be choosing the Gigabyte AB350 Micro ATX motherboard. This is coming in at a nice $49.99 from Amazon with free Prime shipping. This motherboard has two 3.1 USB ports on it, so that's going to be very nice. It also does two-way crossfire support, so if you end up running two GPUs later on that support crossfire, that's going to be able to help you out. But this is a budget gaming build, so I doubt you'll be running two GPUs. And for the memory, we're going to be going Team Vulcan with two 4GB sticks of DDR4 3000 MHz. Anybody that's ever built a Ryzen PC knows that Ryzen loves RAM speeds, so with 3000 MHz, this RAM speed is going to come in very nicely at $70.98 from Newegg. On your storage, we're going to be picking the Seagate Barracuda 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive. $42.35 coming in from Amazon. Nothing special here, just going to be a 1TB hard drive to hold all of your games, your Steam library, your Origin library, and things of the sort. But also we're going to be picking up a PNY 120GB solid state drive for $33.70 from Outlet PC. This is where your operating system is going to go, and this is going to definitely increase boot time speeds. For the graphics card, we're going to be going with the MSI GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. It boasts 4GB of VRAM, which is going to be very nice for these AAA titles. This is going to be the card that allows you to get your 60 FPS in 1080p gaming. The card is currently $159.98 coming from Newegg after a $15 mail-in rebate. For the case, we're going to be going with just the cheapest case we could find on Newegg, the Rosewill FBM-X1 Micro ATX Mini Tower Case, coming in at $19.99. This mini tower case is micro ATX, so it's going to work just fine with that Gigabyte board. It's also a very small form factor case, allowing you to place this case basically anywhere. It also has some decent cable management properties and also a plexiglass window. It's not tempered glass, but hey, your friends will never know. And for the power supply, last but not least, we're going to be picking up the Corsair 450W 80+ bronze certified ATX power supply at $22.98 with a $20 mail-in rebate. This brings our total to $493.86. Now, just as a disclaimer, this does not include an operating system, but there are many ways online to be able to pick up a operating system for under $10. I may possibly do a video in the future, but if you're unsure, simply type it into Google and you will be able to find a reputable site to pick up Windows 10 for roughly $10. And there you have it. That is the $500 budget gaming PC for September of 2018. If y'all did enjoy the video, be sure to hit that like button for me, subscribe to see more content in the future, and hit that bell notification icon to be able to stay up to date with all of Charles Talks Tech videos.